Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact MacBook model and Mac OS version so you know firmware and battery behavior. Once done, connect a known good charger and use a verified outlet because power issues are the most common cause. Make sure the adapter and cable show proper connection. Inspect ports for debris. If the machine is unresponsive, force a restart. Hold the power key for about 10 seconds, release, then press once to boot. This eliminates temporary control logic hangs before deeper steps. Once the power path is verified, you reset low-level controllers, SMC and NVRAM/PRAM on Intel models, or follow the Apple Silicon restart sequence to clear hardware state. This addresses sleep, charging, and sudden shutdowns. Next, boot into safe mode to load minimal drivers and disable third-party kernel extensions so you can isolate software causing crashes. Then run disk utility first aid on the startup disk and review login items and launch agents in system settings. You finish by diagnosing battery health and system software. Check battery condition in system settings and calibrate or replace the battery if capacity is poor or physical swelling is present, since failing batteries often cause shutdowns. Make sure all Mac OS updates and firmware are applied. If software corruption persists, reinstall Mac OS from recovery without erasing data. If issues continue, gather panic logs and system reports. Then contact Apple support or an authorized repair center with that evidence for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.